factor. Masaya dun, di ba?
Wait, wait. Wait first. Dahil dito doon ay insecure ka sa partner.
Wow.
You sound insecure, so are you insecure?
Of course not. Bata pa lang kung ginagawa ko nito. Hindi tulad ng mga batang DJ dyan. Nakahap na namin siya. Kala mo sino ba na DJ. It's just that,
You're young.
yeah. And I'm old. Still doing the same thing.
Wow. Oh, ikaw? Ano tingin mo sa akin, Posy?
Can't do anything else. Wala naman ako